Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to take screen recording on Samsung A35 5G device. Well, screen recording is a valuable tool for content creators, allowing them to produce video content for YouTube, tutorials, presentations, or educational videos directly from their device. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, enter to the control center, and here look for the screen recorder tool. Then tap on it. Next, you can choose to activate media only, media and microphone, or not at all. And you can also activate show taps and touch according to your needs. Well, now click start recording. And then the screen recording begins. So to pause the recording, simply tap this icon. And if you want to add any explanation on the screen, click the pencil icon, then choose a color, and adjust the thickness. And now you are ready to draw any explanation on the screen. Then, if you need to show your face to provide further explanation, simply tap this icon and your face will appear. Now you can comfortably explain anything. Okay, lastly, to stop the recording, click this icon and you can find it in the gallery. Well, that's the tutorial on how to take screen recording on Samsung A35 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.